Hello, my name is Vera Prytkova. I'm a research and application scientist at CCDC, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make selections in Hermes. Selections of atoms or molecules is useful for changing properties such as display style, calculating objects such as centroids, or for defining descriptors. There are several ways of making selections in Hermes. Take a look at the Selection tab at the top level menu. This lets you select all atoms, deselect all atoms, or invert the selection. You can also take a look at Select here. This allows you to choose different atom types. You can also make a selection by either doing the picking mode, pick atoms, or lasso atoms. The same tabs are used as this hand here. Then you can just click on different atoms. That lets you make a selection. The lasso tool will let you make a drawing around the atoms you want to select. You can right-click on the display area and go into selection and expand selection in order to get all atoms in contact or directly bound to the atoms we already had selected. If you'd like to make a more complex selection, go to Selection and choose Define Complex Selection. That allows you to make a selection by atom type, by element type, by property, or by residue. Let's take a look at the property, for instance. We have hydrophobic atoms or hydrophilic non-hydrogen atoms. Let's choose one. We can add these atoms, and that shows the selection both in the display area on the right and also shows all the atoms currently selected at the white window at the bottom. We can then do the intersection or remove from the current selection. We can also take residues that are within the selection we have here and add them. We can then save this selection. We have a selection name, and then we can take a look at this selection, at the atom selection at the top. Anytime we need to select it, and the selection immediately highlights it in the display window. Thank you for your attention.